Yes, sir.
Good evening, dear esteemed members of the press. We are here to talk about our flagship event, Asuri 2026. It is happening on the 3rd and 4th of January at Azad Maidan. This is our flagship program and we look forward to a lot of entrepreneurs coming and participating in it. It's a prominent platform for entrepreneurs to make a mark in their business, and we always promote a lot of women entrepreneurs to take part in this event. It's going to be a 2-day fun extravaganza. There are ladies and a lot of entrepreneurs who are coming from across India, not only Goa. So we have people from Karnataka, Kolkata, up north, a lot of something which is really going to be very, very exciting. Apart from that, we are also having some very good competitions. We are having a healthy dessert making competition for ladies. Then there's a drawing competition for children, a fancy dress competition for children. We're having a comedy show. That's a surprise. It's going to be, when you come there, you're going to see it. So that's something really nice which is going to be happening. And also a reel making competition for all the participants of the stalls. So this is something new which we are doing this year. And it will end with the Asuri Queen, crowning of the Asuri Queen. So this is our agenda for the 2 days of Asuri, and hoping that everyone spreads the word and more entrepreneurs take part in this. Our event chair is Gauri Joshi, and I am Sandra Fernandez, the chairperson of the Goa Chamber of Commerce and Industry Women's Wing. To my right is our creative head, again a member of GCCI committee, Claire D'Souza. So over to Gauri.
गुड आफ्टरनून. तुमकां सगळ्यांक सँड्रा फर्नांडीस मॅडमान सांगिल्लें आसा की असुरी 2026 जो आमचो फ्लॅगशीप इव्हेंट आसा तो 2 आनी 3 तारखेक आझाद मैदानाचेर जावपाचो आसा. सॉरी, 3 आनी 4 तारखेक आझाद मैदानाचेर जावपाचो आसा. आनी टायमिंग्स जावन आसा 10 o'clock to 9 o'clock दोनी दिसां खातीर. आमचे हांगा 100 पेक्षा चड स्टॉल्स आसतले. Wherein we will be having food stalls and products also. Competitions बद्दल सांगिल्लें आसा. आतां तुमकां कितें विचारूंक जाय जाल्यार तुमी विचारूंक शकता.
How many of the stalls are local?
75% of them are local people.
And sir, the stalls have to be paid. You have to pay for them.
Yes, they are paid because we are doing the setup and all here at Azad Maidan. So they are charged. But we also have got a approval from MSME. So our exhibition is MSME backed. So those people who are from the manufacturing and from the service industry can apply and get stalls, pay for it before, and once the exhibition is over, they will get their money refunded, depending on which category they fall in. And they have a set of rules and regulations under which they have to apply for the refund. They will get the refund.
So it is our endeavor to promote Goan women entrepreneurs and Goan entrepreneurs. So that is the reason more than 75%, as Gauri has mentioned, are entrepreneurs from Goa itself, and also coming from the far off areas in Goa. So we have a lot of people coming from Kanpur as well. We are trying to target every area in Goa so the women can come there.
What is the regular charges for the stall? Otherwise, not the MSME supported stall.
15,000. It's 15,000 for regular as well as for
As well as for
MSME. So we've kept it as a
One
flat
flat
rate.
Yeah, last year also it was the same.
No.
Last year it was a little different, but this time we decided to keep it flat.